Carburetor.
Is it on? Well, this is our resurrection from not making a video. Well, I don't even remember what the last one was.
From winter.
Was it? I thought we made something since then, didn't we?
I don't
Oh,
think so.
I was making the stuff for Travis's car that I never finished filming.
And we had your truck breaking.
Yeah.
We never put out. You got a sob.
Turbo stuff. Yeah, I got a new car now. There's a lot of updates. So on today's episode of Fundamental Garage, you see me do a tune-up on a stock dual cam, naturally aspirated KA. Okay, anyway, this thing breaks up really hard after it warms up when you're wide open throttle. That's not fun when you're trying to do donuts and drift and stuff. So the spark plugs are really old and the wires, you can tell, are super dirty and gross and old. So it probably just needs plugs and wires, but I got a new distributor cap and rotor too, so that one will just be extra after this. And we're going to see if it helps it out and we can do some drifts and stuff. There's also some updates about the channel too, and the turbo coming soon. I feel like most people know how to do a tune-up, but
I definitely don't know how to do a tune-up. But
just pull the plug wires out.
That's the intercooler right here again.
Hopefully there is going to be an intercooler soon. Good old tenor. Not like the singing voice, but like the socket. Got this one on top. Hi. Oh, also we glitter patterned the valve cover. That looks pretty swell, except for the big finger mark on it because I haven't clear coated it yet. That'll happen someday. One of these days. I don't care, dude. We can go anywhere. What do you want? I'm like, usually like, oh, we can go to here or there. He's like, I don't want that. What do you want, Josh? I don't care. And then, hopefully I don't fuck this up. Or something. Because that's the whole distributor I just unbolted. We don't need to do that. So we'll put those bolts back in.
Oh, fuck. I'm trying to buy a bike off of Davis for really cheap. Well, let me buy it for really cheap. So I'm gonna run in to his Jeep. Oh.
I'm pulling the intake off so I have more room to get the cap off. If you're watching this video for information, you're gonna get it.
At some point.
My intake's so long.
Just yoink it out.
Comment if your intake's also got a curve in it. Comment and like if it also gets stuck in the hole all the time because it's so big. Pry it out.
With a screwdriver. Stop.
Crackle. Come here.
You gotta take the stupid screw off.
What's this? What's this do? Ah!
Is it supposed to do that?
Oh, sure. There's one, two screw. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, you got it.
We got it.
Just take it out.
I got it. There's the cap. Oh. For the new parts, we unboxed them. Has anyone ever unboxed cool parts? Because I hope this isn't fucked up because you made me drop it.
I didn't make you drop it.
You didn't hold
I
the
thought
door.
you had the door.
So this is a new boy, and it's conveniently marked which one is for which plug wire. That's pretty cool. Buy your stuff on eBay, kids. It's quality, actually. It's all made in Japan still. Japan. It's pretty wore out, you can tell. And it just goes on, just like that. Easy enough.
Cool.
Ignition parts. Yeah. Like that. Oh, it's kind of dirty in here. Stay tuned for a clean spot to mount that. Picking up where we left off in Japan. Put your cap on. Oh.
Oh my god.
Grab the screws first, so you can insert.
Stop talking like Dracula that's trying to give instructions.
Dude, there's a guy that was right down the street, right at the end of my road. He has an S13 and a 350Z.
Really?
Yeah, me and Josh saw it yesterday. He was painting his S13 in his garage, and the 350Z was sitting outside, and it had a hand painted. It looked like blood all over it. There was handprints and stuff. It looks so fucking cool. We gotta drive down there once this is done. There was like a scary one. There was like a battle royale type thing where you're in like an arena. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff. There's like some cool shooters like with zombies and stuff.
Was it spooky?
Dude, the fucking scary one, we both screamed. Like, when I was in it, we had no idea what was going on, and I fucking was in a basement, and I was like, ah! Like, legit fucking terrifying. I died, and then Josh was playing, and I was, like, watching the screen, because you could, like, see what he was doing, and a thing came out, and I screamed, and he screamed. It was so funny. It was horrifying, though. But, we gotta get the spark plugs out, get all these old boys out of here. I got to pull the spark plugs out before we started doing this, so make sure you get your good finger move in there. Give her the old spinneroo. Spouts right out. Look at that good burn, but it's really old. The electrode's really burnt up, and it's, you can tell it's old as fuck. So that's junk, but we'll set it aside just so we can know where it's at. And then we got to get the rabbitry out. Same thing. Break you loose with your fucking muscles. Finger move.
What? I'm sorry, I'm hungry. All I had was avocado toast this morning. It was good, but it wasn't enough.
Read my back shirt. Shirt back.
What? Empire? That makes no sense in this context. Flour?
During your commercial break, we will be having...
Alright, we're gonna make a sandwich. First thing you want to do, you want to get a knife. Obviously it's in this drawer.
It's in the drawer that was right next to you.
Obviously you want to get a knife.
A knife.
Take provolone cheese.
Provolone cheese. Applying. What are you doing right now? You're a bad instructionist.
No, so take the ham, put it on there. You take your mayonnaise. Now one would say you apply it to the bread for a nice even smooth. But you're not going to do that. You're going to apply it directly to the meat.
Okay. Let's see. What are you doing? You didn't...
There's something...
How'd you get there? Last thing we saw was some ham and some fucking mayonnaise getting spread. Our viewers are going to be so lost. They're going to be like, I was doing a tune-up and then I was told to make a sandwich and I don't know how to do either now. Is Bobo helping? You cute little guy. Thing. NGK's BKR5E. That's what a dual cam K takes. Apparently. That's what was in it, that's what we're putting in it. Oh yeah. You can get her in there. Yeah, come here, baby.
Stop.
So that was a little bit more of a pain in the dick than I anticipated because these don't want to click in super nicely, but should work. Let's start her up and see. Actually, I'll put this on there real quick. Wow, that sounds the same. Okay, I need my wallet. There. Get. Listen to that. Wow, it sounds similar. We weren't looking for anything different. We wanted it to sound good and hopefully run better when it's hot.